I don't know you, but I didn't see your work with this with me. You don't say when we dey suffer, we don't offend them. We go to school, we don't calculate too, but there is no job. We try to live here to cross the sea, and they return us. They start to talk about environment for so long. Selfishness and greediness, now they kill our economy. Me I don't tire of our government. Tell you when they come the lie about empowerment.
Yes. My son is just get off online, you know. I wait for him to get off online. The time is coming, PFM is going to capture the whole world. That's right. So share the word of freedom. It's crazy. Edo State political cabal have went to extremely length to make sure that their father ran a Boeing 777 to hellfire or to hell, we don't know, or to heaven. Let me share the word of freedom. You know, when you have a family who are suddenly behind you, you should be happy and be glad. You know, that is a lesson.
As well as yourself. So continue your struggling and we are along with you. Anybody that criticizes you, criticize the ancestor of the land, criticize the community leaders, offends the law of the land. We have alerted the ancestors and our elders about your struggle to see that you don't be developed, and they are all with you. So don't have any fear. We are with you. And anybody that criticizes you, we are going to criticize him in a way that nobody will recognize him again. Yes. Nobody will recognize him. We'll put him down.
That's right.
But the only thing, we only give them a chance to rethink himself and apologize. If you fail to apologize, within now sometime, you will see his fate.
That's right.
The fate will not be welcomed in the community of Ronigwe again. We are here. We know how Ronigwe was built. The history is with us. There is a boy born yesterday. He cannot tell us that he knows more than those he met on the land. So therefore, with you, the progress of Ronigwe is assured. With you, the unity of Ronigwe is assured. With you, the friendship movement, the development movement, democratic value of the people of Ronigwe community is assured. So don't have any fear. Thank you very much. God bless you. I need fear for me.
So as you can hear, that is the voice of my great uncle, all the way from Ronigwe. I want you to underline one word. Brothers and sisters, you're going to give me some time over here. I'm going to do a lot of work here. Today is Akataka. So while that one is going, let me go ahead and play this music a little bit. Wow.
We are suffering and studying on. Suffering and studying. Africa, we suffering and studying on. We are suffering and studying. Nigeria, we suffering and studying on. Suffering and studying on. We are suffering and studying on. Suffering and studying. Africa, suffering with studying. We are suffering and studying. Nigeria, we suffering with studying. We are suffering and studying. Suffering and studying.
brothers and sisters, go ahead and share the word of freedom, okay? Let's do this. Go ahead and do that. You cannot be free until you demand freedom. Nobody's going to free you without demanding freedom.
People they die for Libya, people they die for desert South Africa and Asia. They run on Bigo when he talk. They say they want freedom of this Subo and Kola. Man, as a verse, I don't tire for that. I don't want to speak again. I don't want to talk again.
What's going on?
I don't want to talk again.
I'm still recording.
I don't verse.
So,
I don't verse.
Choose. Cool down.
So just I want you, if I'm from a Renegade community, I want you to be aware of what you are about to put your hands into. Because I want to quickly address this before I do this. Please go ahead and share. Share the word of freedom. This is Mega Comrade, Prophet, Officer Anamigo Edegbe. Easy way. President, Prophet, Mega Comrade, Investigator Officer Clement Anamigo Edegbe. The president of the innocent poor citizen worldwide, commander-in-chief of the defenseless and the voiceless, the tiger and the lion combined. A lot of people watched my song, Comrade Niti Ignigon, a few minutes ago, including myself. We watched it. We saw the product of the Mega Comrade. We already seen it. You know what I'm saying? When you are a pastor and you ordain a pastor and it's not like you, then you know you didn't do your job right. But when you are a prophet of freedom, you should be able to bring out a prophet out of your blood. And that is the definition of PFM, what we stand for. We let you, we carry you along. We don't use our hand to press you like the Orion leaders are doing, like the APC corrupt leaders are doing in Orion local government. They will never allow you to grow. Anybody that is from Edo State, when you want to grow, they will press you. But for those that come from Urenigbe and Orion, I want you to be very careful. When we started this movement, you know what I'm saying? When we started this movement was not about anybody in Orion. We mind our business. We go after the South Africa xenophobia. Governor Obaseki, when he arrested Kotisegosa Ubu, that is where he created problem. He started using dictatorship way of governing. Then our brother from Ewesi and Urenigbe, they started running towards Obaseki, try to capitalize, cash in on PFM leader. When Obaseki continued to listen to them, that is when Jabrata entered his head. What we call Jabrata, me, I am a poor president. I speak for billions of the poor citizens worldwide. Billions, not millions. Billions. When I talk for billions of poor citizens worldwide. How many of us are rich? How many of us? We have nothing to lose. It is time for us to get up and demand freedom. That is one thing. Today we find out a political rising star choose to destroy himself. NDDC commissioner representing Edo State, Saturday Uwilehwe, Saturday Uwilehwe would have known right from wrong. Saturday Uwilehwe did not buy one cow for his father before he died. Saturday Uwilehwe did not buy one jet for his father. His father did not ride jet one day before he died. Saturday Uwilehwe, none of his family have ever ride jet before he died. Let me tell you, brothers and sisters, don't give a red head to Saturday Uwilehwe. Go and get your PVC, get your voter's card and vote. Vote this barbaric leader, reckless leader out of this office. Start from Muhammad Buhari 2019. Buhari #Buhari must go. Saturday Uwulekwe have no road to his father's house, has no road to his local government, has no road to his village. Saturday have no road. Saturday cannot even buy 10 bags of cement and continue to manage and continue to patch Orion local government Bini Abraka road. Saturday Uwulekwe have been a complete failure. We are no partisan movement. I don't care if you are my brother. Saturday Uwulekwe is my brother. It's my Orion brother. I love him. I love him. Loving Saturday Uwulekwe will not stop me from speaking the truth. I love Saturday Uwulekwe. It is my blood. If you are my blood and you are corrupt, the hammer of freedom will meet you. I could have gone with Saturday Uwulekwe and said, let us come out, let's do this together. Let's chop the money, chop and quench. We will start eating porcupine suya. We will start eating antelope suya. But instead, a man that protects his own integrity and dignity, I will not compromise the poor citizen for my own richness or for my own well-being or for me to be able to be riding healers. Just for myself alone, I can never do it. So I have a message for those who think you are related to me and you are my brother, you want to corrupt. We will crack you down and we will measure the hammer of the FBI. Crush you like a goddamn alligator. Don't dare come to Western world. When you come to Western world, you are in my trap. I will use law enforcement agency to nab you and trap you down and put the full weight of the hammer of the law of the Almighty United States of America, because the mega company says so. The tiger and the lion combine. No trespass. This is a message for you. Before you go online and start criticizing what you don't know, before you go online and start saying rubbish, I have a good message that I'm going to play for you. Let me tell you something. I am a man that believes in everything. Before this time, Mega Comrie was, this is a message for those who don't want to listen. Let me play it. Want to go. Kataka.
As well as for saying. So continue your struggling and we are along with you. Anybody that criticizes you, criticize the ancestor of the land, criticize the community leaders, offends the law of the land.
That's right.
We have alerted the ancestors and our elders about your struggle to see that you don't need the law. And they are all with you. So don't have any fear. We are with you. And anybody that criticizes you, we are going to criticize him in a way that nobody will recognize him again.
That's right.
Nobody will recognize him. We'll put him down. But the only thing, we only give them a chance to rethink himself and apologize. If you fail to apologize, within now sometime, you will see his fate. The fate will not be welcomed in the community of Ronigwe. We are here. We know how Ronigwe was built. The history is with us. There is a boy born yesterday. He cannot tell us that he knows more than those he met on the land. So therefore, with you, the progress of Ronigwe is assured. With you, the unity of Ronigwe is assured. With you, the friendship movement, the development movement, democratic value of the people of Ronigwe community is assured. So don't have any fear. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Bless you. We also have meeting on Sunday.
As you can see, that is my father, my uncle, who I love so much. When I was growing up, when he used to come and see my grandfather taught him a lot of things. When he used to come, he would carry me in his motorcycle. We call it motorbike. He would put me on it. I would go and show him the farm. When I would get to the farm, let me tell you how poor I am. I'm not a rich man, but I am blessed. I am wealthy. I have a lot of children who are very, very, very rich, who will become the leaders of tomorrow. My money is coming from them. A time will come where they will say, Daddy, this is for you. It's not because I am the most smartest man. It's not because I am the most outspoken man. No, it's because I am one of the most honest, courageous, men in the globe today who is not afraid to speak the truth, no matter what. You know what I'm saying? So I want everyone to share this video. Let it get to the Buhari office. Let it get to Governor Obaseki watching right now. I already know that. Let it get to Saturday Uwilehwe, who happens to be my lovely brother. It's my Orionwo brother. Orionwo brother. We Orionwo people, we love each other. But the head of Orionwo leaders in the city, they have decided to torpedo our career. They have decided to continue to oppress us. They have continued to downgrade our destiny. So now it is time for we, the younger one, to tell them their retirement is close. If they do not want to retire themselves, we will retire them. And we're going to do it by the power of God Almighty. Eti Johnny Okoriomo, eti Ugagbo Habebi, eti Osakpika, eti Ero Wirame, eti Tebode Wase, eti Osalobo Ajolo Kuregbe, eti Girelegbe, Imari Taiwa. So let us start from what is going on in Nigeria today. I want to quickly show this picture that I showed the other day. This is the commissioner of NDDC. I have all his picture. People, you're going to see his picture. Don't worry. I have too much of his picture. This is the commissioner of NDDC. Saturday Uwilehwe. I'm broadcasting live on YouTube and Facebook. This is the jet. Look at it. Boeing 777. Jet, private jet. Boeing 777 private jet. APC private jet. Boeing 777. Look at it. Private jet bought by the commissioner of NDDC representing Edo State. But there are two different kinds of jet. There's a wanted jet. There's unwanted jet. This jet is like medicine after death. The reason why I am angry, I know Saturday Uwilehwe very well. I know him very well. Saturday Uwilehwe was one of those people who I called when I visited Nigeria many years ago, 2-3 years ago. When I called him as a young man, he's a small boy, as a young man that is growing up, and he has you see a lot of potential ahead of him. You see a lot of things you can do with him. I called him. When I called him, I told him, I said, Saturday, I am concerned about our poor citizens in Orionwo. How can we move Orionwo forward? Saturday Uwilehwe sit me down. He was hiding at first. I tracked him down. He told me, let's meet in a civil service club in GRA. I went in there. He said his battery went off. Then I went to Benin Recreation Club. We now end up meeting over there with his wife. That is the first day I heard about Governor Obaseki. It was him that told me that he's supporting Governor Obaseki. I tried to let him know Governor Obaseki is a demon. Governor Obaseki is a demon. But I already saw his soul was already sold. Then I told him, I said, irregardless of the differences, we can work together how we can move our poor citizens. Let's move them from poor to middle class. Let them have a chance of growing. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, I have people that want me to share this video with them. Please, brothers and sisters, bear with me. Let me go ahead and share this video with them. Please, I'm just begging you. Please, bear with me. Please. Wow.
It's not Biggie Man, no. It's not for man, no. Hello, Nigeria, so. She be on the area. Don't be waiting that me talk, oh. This was not what they promised us, so. They tell us that they go bring the change, oh. Oh, no, 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 no. As the thing they go, situation is just a bad, oh. As they break, things is just a hard, oh. No food to chop.
Share the word of freedom, brothers and sisters. This is how we're going to get out of this mess. You can't get out by just standing, waiting, closing your hands. Here now, here's a power ball. Oh, what am I fear? Agege, now Allah.
I believe in Nigeria with all my life. I bless to Nigeria, my country, with all my heart. Anywhere I go, Nigeria. Anything I do, Nigeria. Anywhere I go to Nigeria. See, my house is not for Nigeria. I invest in my Nigeria. Everything I plan for Nigeria. Politicians show some love. Oh no, 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 no. Pity us, politicians have mercy on us. I beg me the beg, we don't care the thing that never do. Please pity for us, politicians, please pity for us. Oh no, 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 no. Oh,
this Saturday Wulewe is a very strong diabolically man. Very strong diabolically man. I know him very well. I am coming. I am going to explain all this very soon. Give me 1 second. Brothers and sisters, Edo State have become a state of no return. If Governor Obaseki was smart enough, Governor Obaseki would have capitalized on the success of our great Oba. There is no better gift than the gift that the Oba Ewaru Gidigan have given to Obaseki. But yet, Obaseki is a fool. Is Obaseki concerned about himself alone? Obaseki don't care about anybody. It's only for his pocket. Obaseki is for Obaseki. Obaseki don't give a damn about anybody else. That is why he will not, no matter how you, what you're going to say, no matter how you're going to talk to Obaseki, Obaseki will never listen to you. He will never listen to you. Trust me. Hey, wo, am I swing? Am I what that's when now? All this picture now, where they go? I must find them. They cannot hide. Saturday, Uwilekwe decided to support Obaseki. Fine, no problem. Then I told him, I let him know that me, myself, I am not going to support Obaseki because I know him. I know my spirit told me he's not a good leader. He's coming to destroy Edo State. You know what I'm saying? So he told me, he got to a point, he even requested for me to come and sow a seed. I don't know that this kind of seed, that is the seed he's going to sow. I refuse to join him to sow a seed in Obaseki corruption altar. When I refused, that is when Saturday Wulewe started moving distance from me. He started running away from me. Saturday Wulewe was now missing in action. Every plan, every way how we can fix Orion local government, it become irrelevant for Saturday Wulewe. Because when I refuse to sow the seed in the altar of greed and corruption in Oshomule Mansion, buy 100 bags of rice to Oshomule Monda, it become a problem. APC don't want me anymore. They do not want me anymore because I refuse to sow a seed in the altar of greed and corruption. And this is what led Saturday to this. Saturday Uwilekwe family. Saturday Uwilekwe family have never, his father have never write a jet. Saturday Uwilekwe father have never write a jet. He did not write one jet before he died. That is how sad it is. Saturday Uwilekwe, immediately his father died, Saturday Wulewe invited all the fat cats, all the cat, political fat cat in Edo State. He invited all of them. The elephant in the room, Aliyu Oshomole, all of them, they unleashed on Orion local government. The worst part of it, Orion local government road. Oh, Oshomole, Obaseki, Wado Wu. A belly out who wire la a video na imi a me of your ladia, was a delay. Was a picture na yafe about via ladia. Who had a kekan, me mosumio. So, they went to Orion or local government. What did they went there for? That is the question. What do they went there for? To go and do a burial. The burial of late father Owulehui. When they arrived there, it's good to bury your father. This is where it becomes complicated. Saturday Owulehui did not buy his father a jet before he died. Let me quickly go through it. I'm looking for these pictures. Corruption must be eradicated in Nigeria and Africa as a whole. On the 10th of January 2018, I declare hashtag Buhari must go. Before this time, no one dare try Buhari. No one dare challenge Buhari. Then after I declare hashtag Buhari must go, I invite a lot of people to come on social media, which they answer to. But a lot of them come in positive way. Most of them come in negative way. Instead of them to join hands together, let us unite and root all this cabal and kill their parasite worms so that we can kill them. They went ahead and started creating their own platform. Even Saraki Age went ahead and launched a new political party. Where is he going to go from there? So they refuse. Now they want to do it on their own. No problem. APC, no problem. I declare hashtag Obaseki must go campaign months ago when Fulani herdsmen were invading every state. I cried out last year. Nobody listened to me. I even made mention, I was even sympathizing with Saturday Owulehui. When Saturday Owulehui was not giving official card, go and watch all my video. I was crying. I was praising him. I was telling him to get an official car. When he paid 5 million naira to fill the road that is passing through to his house, I kept this online. I announced it. I praised him. Little did I know that Saturday Owulehui were doing what we call political greed investment. Political greed investment is like plan where BBN or RBBN, what they call it. It's what they do. They give you 1 naira, they will cut your hand and collect 1 billion from your grandchildren and put a debt in your head. They will mortgage your life, they will mortgage your children's life, they will mortgage your destiny. Once your destiny is mortgaged, you have nowhere to go. APC corrupt leader bought private jet Boeing 777, and the captain on that airplane jet is Governor Godwin Obaseki, and the head of the commander of that jet is Adam Ali Oshomole. And who is going to be the passenger of this Boeing 777 that Saturday Owulehui bought for them? Who is the APC youth who are supporting the bad, knowing that Fulani herdsmen are killing us, knowing that Obaseki administration is bad, knowing that Buhari administration is bad, and yet they are still supporting Buhari. These are the passengers. That, let me tell you, we don't know where the jet is going. This jet was bought for his father after he died in Edo State, in Nigeria. How can somebody buy a jet for his father after your father died, or your father late, or your father is dead? You will go and buy a jet for your father. A jet you did not buy for your father when he was alive. That is where my problem comes with Saturday Owulehui. I do for my father the little I can do. I do for my mother the little I can do. I do for my grandparents the little I can do. I do for my family the little I can do. One thing, they can continue to play with my internet. Saturday Owulehui boys are working. No road to Orion local government area. Commissioner of NDDC, Mr. Saturday Owulehui, village, Ewodobia village have no road. Bini Abraka road is completely decimated. Saturday Uwulegwe came from Ewodobia in Orion local government, where I came from. It is a shame that Saturday Uwulegwe, instead of it to be the people's NDDC commissioner, Saturday Uwulegwe become Buhari and Obaseki and Oshomole rubber stamp, magnet of corruption. Saturday Uwulegwe want to destroy his political career in the presence of our eye. I am a torpedo, and the tiger and the lion combat. I will seek your political career. A career wagbe. Career you want when I wagbe. I will damage your career. I will destroy your political career. You wagbe. Hands down. Before we even get to half game, pure whistle is over. Saturday Uwulegwe family are getting miscarriage upon miscarriage. Saturday Uwulegwe, he biama we a guest young guest or who yale ramiri he be. Saturday Uwulegwe ke amaje gbe igbe. Vele Saturday Uwulegwe wa seni lo wa iro ekposu. Vele wa seni egbe no lo wa re no. Oshomule is using Saturday Uwulegwe to suppress. Saturday Uwulegwe have done a lot that all people should be afraid of Saturday Uwulegwe. There's one boy they call Kennedy Osakwe in Ewesi. Kennedy has been Saturday Uwulegwe boy. Till now, Saturday Uwulegwe refused to give Kennedy even a water to drink. This boy, let me tell you, if you want to follow Saturday Uwulegwe, mind your business. Saturday Uwulegwe is not for you. It's for the rich. Kennedy have been looking for counselor for more than 8 years now. Counselor. Instead of Saturday Uwulegwe to give councillorship to Kennedy, he went ahead and put even Okoro a car. He went ahead and put a car as the chairman of Orion local government. I want to own a real money here. Here we go. When did a car become Orion citizen? Okoro, why no one at Okoro were there? Oyegumedia, do you people forget about Oyegumedia? The same way they brought Oyegumedia. That is the same way they now brought Okoro to come and decimate my own local government. That chairman, let me tell you, before you even start, impeachment is coming. Impeachment is on its way. We will measure, let me finish. No road to Orion. Orion local government in Edo State. Orion local government provide 88% to 90% Edo State revenue. Yet, Orion local government is the most decimated local government area. Bini Abraka Road have never been even attempt to face since 1979. 1979. Those of you that is insulting me, maybe you were not even born. That is the last time that road was tied. 1979, 1970s. Saturday Uwulegwe were a small boy then. Saturday Uwulegwe, it is a disgrace to all Ewodobia citizens who are happen to be my brothers and sisters. That Saturday Uwulegwe is not the commissioner of NDDC, yet there's no road to his own local government. Saturday Adamoshomole village community is like Dubai. Saturday Uwulegwe. Oh, Okolusina or Wagbani, jet way out there. Either way, then let me tell you, Ashokoba, Saturday Uwulegwe, I am coming. Let me bring his picture out. It's time for me to show his picture. Saturday Uwulegwe, he will akataka. Kai, he be begging me no sooner. He begging me no sooner. In wrong place is toiling ananayi. So therefore, I will declare another day for Saturday Uwulegwe. People need to see and know who this Saturday Uwulegwe really is. People need to know him. They need to know who is Saturday Uwulegwe. And I have some of his pictures that I'm going to show people. This man is a man that I love. I love it personally. Saturday Uwulegwe is into this APC way of leadership. God bless you, my brother. God bless you. When woman, Sato will wait. Oh, Amena, American wana, Oshomule, Obaseki. Saturday will wait. Anytime you drink cold water, the curse of ancestors will enter your people's body. As you people do not want the villagers to enjoy, to have the taste of cold water, you people love will never, 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 never be what you want in Jesus' mighty name. It will be what you wish your enemy, what you wish your people. Anything people wish the voters is what all the bad politicians are going to be harvesting. Whatever you wish the voters is what you're going to be harvesting. In Jesus' mighty name. In the name of Allah, inshallah, we will overcome. Amen. I miss my grandfather. My grandfather was my best friend. He was everything to me. I miss him. Eco water. You know what you know why we call water. If I bought second one. Here we meet up with Ariana. Saturday Wulehui. You will go already be. Saturday Wulehui. Or it don't enter one chance. I must bring out this video. Give me 1 second. I must bring it out. Saturday Wulehui. Monowera Vievie. I don't know how manage Okona Ikpakperan or Oye Saturday Wulehui. He's a strong man. Listen, last time our Oba lake us on courtesy. Anybody that practice courtesy, from that moment on, you can see there is evidence of courtesy in Edo State. Look at it. You see it? That is number one. Let me go. What Saturday Wulehui is doing in Edo in area of local government now is recruiting vulnerable children. I will tell people how this election was conducted. And I'm going to make a call to Benin right now. I will call Benin City. There is APC member that is ready to talk. That is really ready to talk. He wants everybody to know what actually transpired. Saturday Wulehui decided to hijack the destiny of Orion people. Instead of Saturday Wulehui, hey Jimmy, Saturday Wulehui, let me bring it out. The chairman of courtesy in Edo State, you people have heard it, that he was arrested one time ago. I mean, look at him. These are the fat cat. Fat cat. Ria. Rawologbonehui. Ria. Awologbonehui. Ewanahina. Awologbonehui. Ria. Iya wanahi. Iya wanahi. Asomba amesenie. Let me look for Saturday Wulehui. Saturday go join me now. Ni viere magema terrorist. Gay. Yeah, Awologbo. Yeah. Recap. Yes, Beleman. Or is it Beleman? Yana the recap. That is how many blood he have sucked. Look at him. How many blood he have sucked. After sucking too much blood. That is why they give a recap. Terrorist Tony Kabaka. These are Saturday Wulehui counterpart. They are all in the same gang. One gang, that's where they are. Saturday Wulehui. This boy they call Okoro, who they just say, hey Jimmy, let me find out. Yeah, one more lad, yeah, make a young lady. Yeah, what bring a lad? Akataka, Vitana, Katosa go join wounded for one side. Katosa go carry us, give Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabaka go carry us, give back to Oshomule. Oshomule go carry us, give Saturday Wulehui. Saturday Wulehui he will go stand with Obaseki. He go give Obaseki power. Then other thing, you go call engineer and you go follow bad road, go bury Papa. Go buy private jet with our money. Yeah, one hour. Every time. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. So yeah, now what is going to happen tomorrow? By 8 p.m. I am going to declare a video on Saturday Uwulekwe. I just find out that this picture that I'm looking for, all this information that I'm looking for, is right inside the iPad. And that is what I am using, broadcasting. So therefore, Saturday Uwulekwe, all evidence of Orion Road, bad road that Saturday Uwulekwe went through and go bury father with a jet that is bought. Saturday Uwulekwe should come and tell us where this jet is going. So this is the picture I have now. I will bring Saturday Uwulekwe picture out for people to see. You will know him. This jet, we want to ask Saturday Uwulekwe, where is this jet going? Hellfire or where? Okay, this is the jet. Saturday Uwulekwe jet. Look at it. That is the Boeing 777 Saturday Uwulekwe bought. I want to tell people, let me tell you, Saturday Uwulekwe is my brother. I love him. I love him. I will not stand for Saturday Uwulekwe to continue to use Orion as his own piggy bank. That is never going to be acceptable. I will not accept that from anybody. Okay, the fraudulent election they did, Obaseki asked Oshomole, he asked Honorable Useless Asowe, he asked Odubu to go and provide chairman for Orion and vice chairman. So Odubu went ahead and provided his own family as the vice chairman. So then it was left for Saturday and Asowe. Foolish of them, Saturday Uwulekwe. That is why I'm telling you that he's a fool. Saturday Uwulekwe did not know that Okoro was Odubu boy. Instead of them, and that chairmanship was supposed to sort to Ewesi ward. Ewesi is the largest town in Ewesi ward. Because of talk. Ewesi people. That is why, let me tell you, this one will go behind, they will go and lie on the one. The other one will go behind, they will go and lie. Even some of our Ewesi people that we, the Ewesi community, have prayed for, they went ahead and start advertising Okoro. Okoro is from a car, I don't know, I don't know where it comes from. No, Umutu, Abavo, I will not indicate a car. A car will come and rule in Oriomo before any Oriomo or any Ewesi can come out and rule. Only I'm saying, number one, princess that suffer for Odubu. As I'm talking now, they want to kill her. They are compressed. They are putting pressure on her. My own brother who was Odubu boy, Jaguar, General. As I'm speaking, my own brother is suffering in Italy. Odubu, if you work for Odubu, no matter how you will suffer, Odubu will use what we call Aban. He go nail your destiny in his father compound. Anything Odubu said is what you're going to do. Odubu is a traditional man. It's a obedo. That's what I will call obedo or my pakpena, my obigwe. Odubu is we are in the same place. Odubu will nail your destiny. After Odubu, let me finish. When they now brought Okoro, then I will say I have nobody. Okoro father came to, it's a day job. They come as a job hunter. Like Fulani are invading Edo State now. Very soon now, Fulani, they will become Orion local government chairman, Oredo local government chairman, Ikobazuwa local government chairman, Ovia local government chairman. Fulanis are coming. The same way Okoro came. I have never seen where Ewesi or Orion people have went to Delta State and become a local government chairman in Delta State. It has never happened. So Odubu and APC with Saturday Willie, they now brought Okoro. Even Kennedy Osakwe, that man have seen everything. He is very smart. That boy, he wrote a lot of work for all these graduates. He was so smart. We were going to Uniben together. I have never one day said it. He is the one I will follow it. Let me tell you, Kennedy was my good friend. They decimated his life. Saturday will continue to cripple his destiny. On a bed. For him to put a Wesi man or here to Bini, he went ahead and bring Okoro or you go their second. Glory be to God. As they went to that barrier where he bought his father a jet, as they were coming calamity, the father get angry. Saturday Wulehu, Mr. Wulehu get angry and said, how can you buy me a jet, politician? You, my son, this politics is a bad game. My son, when I was alive, you did not buy me a jet. You did not even buy me a jeep. Now I am dead. You are bringing a jet, Boeing 777, to be parading. Even my own junior brother, Solomon could not advise his own cousin. I love Solomon. Solomon, not, I can make sure I can insult Solomon any day I want, but the love I have for him is overwhelmed. It's so much that he betrayed me. That is my anger towards him. It would have been better if Solomon would have come to me and said, it's the truth, you are fighting the good cause, but instead he want to cut his way. That I don't like cutter. That is why I torpedoed him. That aside, Solomon is my brother. He is watching now. It is my brother. Solomon is my brother. Nothing will separate me and him. But we will speak the truth. We are only on people who love each other. But we have to speak the truth. Saturday Uhulehu with Odubu. Here what the Mahuyi. Here he say yo. They are naming Orion people head. Boy. Until your let me tell you, your medulla and oblongata until they scattered. Saturday Uhulehu is the same way he sold Pastor Osage Izeyamu. Saturday Uhulehu have been a betrayer to Orion. Because of what he did to Pastor Osage Izeyamu, the only chance Orion have to produce a governor. Saturday Uhulehu na so wi Orion ha. Ona asade ovie anocha Gaius Obaseki. Ona ya Saturday Uhulehu went ahead and sacked Anocha from an Obaseki family from Anocha in Delta State. He let Orion born of Orion we go to do. Pastor Sage Izeyamu is from Iko to do. Pastor Sage Izeyamu with all the university, all the plant to revive Orion local government. Saturday now we know. Get Imahaya come with wire. Get even on my idea win. Saturday Uhulehu went ahead and sold us for his own NDDC seat. Oshomina told him, if you support us, we're going to give you NDDC. They gave him NDDC commission. I called him, I congratulate him. I have his phone number. Saturday Uhulehu, maybe 2-3 times he told me, come and sow seed with Obaseki. I said, what is it seed? Why do I need to go and sow seed in the altar of corruption? So if I come and sow seed and bring 20 million for Obaseki, how am I going to pay that 20 million? When they give me power, then I will have to pay the money. I refuse. That is when I know that I already know Obaseki. Me, I like Barrister Oge. I like Barrister Oge. But what Oge did, immediately came to power. He went ahead and bring Sani Ade when his father died, or his mother died. I thought that was not. That was worst. I never knew that APC, the way they are corrupt now, is to be buying Boeing 777 coffee. A jet liwano. Vera fieri abi irewo. Igor mamuneruwe. They can only fear. Why will Saturday or you just like a Lucky Millennium brought criticism to his father? Why will Saturday bring criticism to his own innocent poor man? Why? Huh? Why? Saturday Hulekwe. This is your last warning. Oriol Bini Albaraka Road, Ugo, Ebozogbe, Ewerae, Uboko, Ogo. If you do not do, let me tell you, not be that when you do when you begin to destroy. I drove through it. Since you people banned me not to come, I have not come home. That is where you get leg. Take the waka for Oriol. When I was on ground in 2016 gubernatorial election, I beat you hands down. Go and ask Barrister Unwa. If not me, they will not even win that booth they won. I was the one that do it. I was the one. I know that APC na corrupt party. I was once a bona fide APC blood man. I know APC is a. Let me tell you. How do you think I know Katosa? Katosa is Dr. Damage. Oyemugwe. This and this. Katosa never lose. Any game, he play both side game. That is the work of Katosa. Let me tell you, Oshomole, for bringing Saturday Hulekwe and for bringing Governor Obaseki Uhiangbeu, Oshomole, to anyone that do not want Edo State to move forward. Hakataka. Ogoba anwa iru owo ọnwa iru owo ta ọnwa iru owo awe yori asomba ami ese ni aseni nike ọba tie ọra leluwa ya gbe wo wara wo wa ma megbe ne to ya mana neri ma no mi ekesame awu awe train along underground the Irigodwa. Is it forbidden to have underground metro in Benin? Huh? Is it forbidden? Huh? Is it forbidden? Why would you people? Our father was tired. He left it. He said, provide security. Nobody did. Few days ago, or a few weeks ago, I came out. I was announcing our prince almost get killed. Our prince almost get killed. Nobody really know the idea what I was talking about. Nobody know. When I said Tony Kabaka want to kill me, I sent a message to the palace. A lot of people were calling me. Nobody know. I told them 4 months ago, many months ago, that this rain they want to draw. The rain will not touch Mega Comrade. He will not touch any People Freedom Movement member. By the power of God, by the power of the ancestors of Benin Kingdom, they know that what we are doing is for the betterment of the kingdom. This rain will not touch us. They thought it was a joke. Few months later, our second crown prince almost get killed by these court people. Criminals. Everybody said almost get killed. Billy and I were busy on the political talk. Ohamamuya, Orioba, hey, give me your work already. Ohamamuya, they decided they want to take the fight to the palace. Now the fight have come to you people. Anyone that will practice killing, courtesy in Edo State, or go back or area, or how you know why you here. Anybody, I'm telling you, if you are into courtesy, just leave Edo State. If you are into kidnapping, leave Edo State. If you are into political talk, leave Edo State. If you are into any jagudarism, pack your bag and baggage and get the heck out of Edo State. Edo State will not be a safe haven for APC political talk. Not even for Fulani herdsmen. Anyone that will harbor Fulani herdsmen. Few days ago, they shot people in Urenibe. Fulani herdsmen. They shot people in Urenibe. Those people were taken to Benin City. As I speak, they are under treatment. What else do you want us to do? Then you have some pinhead, Urenibe, let me speak the word out. Pinhead, Awuhutan, pinhead from Urenibe. You have them, they will come out, some of them, they want to criticize the good people of Urenibe. What I am doing, nobody has ever done it. In the history of any country, tell me, no one has ever done it. Nobody. Nobody get up one day, pick up your social media. Everybody come, they talk about big breast, big butt. That is what people react to. Sex. That is what they react to. I am the only one that come out and speak the bitter truth. Thank God Almighty. with the power God Almighty have invested in me, I was able to produce a song called Comrade Newty Igbinigun, the PRO of People Freedom Movement worldwide. Maybe not in another few months. When I say I produced, this is who I took to the battle. We were in and out, not by going to protesting one time with me. No. You have to be there. You have to experience what we are experiencing. You have to feel the heat of the demon. You have to feel the heat of the spirit. You will see it, you will die and wake up. That is how you will know that you are ready for the battle. No weapon, nobody can try him. Because the ancestors will crack them down, will destroy them. Then you have this boy, Tony Kabaka, Saturday Wulehui, former NDDC, Matudo Ekeme, that one, Matudo Ekeme, what I have against him is land. I see you to Sinyoma. Matudo Ekeme have never done me wrong. Matudo Ekeme, at least he tried in Amagba. He tie and destroy road, tie and damage road. He tied the road, 2 weeks later the road were completely destroyed. At least A for effort. A for effort. Saturday Wulehui have Saturday Wulehui. Saturday when Kakabo. Saturday Wulehui. He me. Erigo year. Iko. No tamata mami po yaliko. Saturday Wulehui. Saturday, you forget every discussion me and you discuss. Saturday, come out and speak the truth. Come out. The commissioner of NDDC representing Edo State must come out and say the truth. What him and Mega Comrade discussed. Saturday, Uwulewe must come out and speak the truth. The truth must be spoken. Wata. Tell wetamini wata. Saturday Wulewe. Give me. I took you as my own junior brother. I'll be advancing you. Hence you refuse to listen. You want to turn Orion, the first local government where they used Boeing 777 jet, private jet, to go to Dekelorie. Where is that Boeing going? Is he going to hellfire or heaven? Your father want to go to heaven. Instead, you decided to send him to hellfire. Saturday. Why am I why am I on Saturday? Solomon, what time go and warn your cousin. Go and warn your cousin. That Orion road, not until his face. Bene Abracado, they pay on here, Homasakelo, Hujumule. Oh, go, imagine what Chobunaya. Go anyway. Solomon, go and warn your cousin. You are his driver. Immediately become NDDC commissioner. Bam! Where opportunity still working. Where boom! You know how to sell land very well. I will promote you if you want to sell land. Hence, you want to go into corrupt way. Solomon, that's it. Just go and continue selling your land. Me, I will be selling your land. You are a proper. Don't sell a waste land. Go and sell your land. Sell your land. Come and buy land. You are in Italy. How can you leave Italy? You will not say equal to do. I mean, what up here? So, I want to beg many people. If you know Saturday Wulewe, go and tell him this jet that is bought for his father, we don't want it. Medicine after death. Unera adolomo yino momi kinavido unera kewu era ga une ukedu aune gay ye jet no dene. Look at it. Look at it. That is the jet he bought. So brothers and sisters, tomorrow I am going to be online by 8 p.m. European time. Saturday will a video, the roads. I will show you people how that road is, where Saturday Wulewe went ahead and bought jet. As I'm speaking now, Fulani is everywhere. They are killing upon killing. Obaseki, let me tell you, there was a time in United States where President Barack Obama said, I am tired of going to funeral. I am tired of going to classes shooting or shooting. You know what he did? He did something about it. But Governor Obaseki is not tired of sorrow. Sorrow, you will never like sorrow in your life, Governor Obaseki. Sorrow you will never be far away from you, Governor Obaseki. Governor Obaseki, your family were able to try to reverse, sanitize your father's name. But instead, when you came, you say you want to tarnish that image. We know the difference between the devil and the angel. Dr. Pedro Obaseki, if he come out 10 times for governor, I will vote for him. Me, I will campaign for him. Dr. Pedro Obaseki, I will campaign for him because I have seen that man. He joined me. We fought even during that time. When I called about Fulani, we were coming. Nobody joined us. He struggled on his own. He struggled on his own. You try to assassinate Dr. Pedro 3 times. There's assassination. No, assassination of boom. 3 times you try to assassinate Dr. Pedro. Your own blood. Oba mebok buwanenia. Oba anato. Oba atok be. Oba. O atok be. Mebok buwanenia. Why don't anyone that bring out a gun that want to kill any Benima? Calamity. Your father, your grandfather, your entire father, your children, your great-grandchildren. If you come in the explanation, anytime you come back again, as somebody you will know, why will not just say that. Let me tell you, as somebody I'm a son of a day. Mega coverage. God is great. Sometimes when I look at the upper, we see God. How did you taught me all this? God! Nobody taught the power of Lord. Who said there's no God? Come as the tiger and the lion command. Few months ago, when Osamore Joseph was kidnapped, I directly sent a message to the palace. I said, hey, Baba, what up, babe? It is time for you to come out and lay us on kidnapping. Kabaka want to kill me. Invite me and him. Then I heard that Zimbabwe women. If our father would have come at that time and Lagos and they killed him, they would put it on his neck. I quiet. When I get a reply, I quiet. People were calling me. I never know that my father is a father that doesn't, that is always follow the center of the road. Our king is a father. He always follow the truth. The truth. So there will be no other king in my life, no matter what, no matter the circumstance. You know, my king is my king. He's going to remain my king forever. No matter what. He is the highest of the highest. He's my second God. A lot of people have run away from me since they say, mega comrade. Your praises to Eba is too much. Why would he be? Our palace came out and said, if you ever want to kill anyone or go back to anybody that want to help the Oba, who is he talking about? Mega comrade. Ancestors should strike them into 2. All 20 boys that will say, hey, oh yeah, hey. Go back and one you are. Go back and go kill. So APC, I am urging all Nigerians, you people should not make mistake. Because this 2019, Buhari must go. The only mistake you're going to make is when you start bringing out your little party just to extort money, just to collect money. No. Instead, you people should work together. Let everybody work together. Together, Buhari is an elephant in the room. One person cannot push him. One small chekere party cannot push him. Remember Oyegu. Oyegu is the master of mismanipulation. Manipulation of whatever they call it. To manipulate election. Political, what do they call it? What English they use? Political. Okay, let me use another word. Oyegu know how to manipulate election. There's a language the FBI used there. Okay, I forgot that language. So Oyegu were able to deceive Edo people that he was from Edo State. Oyegu was voted in as an executive governor. So Oyegu is the owner of APC. Oyegu will continue to check the constitution and constitution. Before I drop, I want to call an APC member. Let me call him right now. Maybe he has something he need to contribute on this Saturday Uwulekwe and APC. Let me quickly call him. People, please, I'm begging you, share this video. Let it get to Saturday Uwulekwe. He's watching. I know they already sent it to him, but the problem is that, hey, you, God, please let it connect. Okay, good. So let me call him right now. Saturday Uwulekwe need to learn. Odubu is already out of governorship, but Odubu don't want to leave power. Odubu become a su normal Ebere. Odubu, they want to destroy Orion. Odubu Overe. Let me call this APC and hear what is happening.
The number you dialed is switched off.
Oh.
Please try again later.
So it's a pity. The battery was dead a while ago, and he told me about it. So that is it. So brothers and sisters, I want you tomorrow. I am going to come out on this Capiosa Saturday Uwulekwe, Governor Godwin Obaseki, fraudulent governor of Edo State. Hashtag Buhari must go in 2019. And the political talk, I have a message for them. By tomorrow, I will be out by tomorrow, and people should stay tuned. Go ahead and share this word of freedom. Please, remember, always fix your home before you fix on anywhere else. Saturday Uwulekwe refused to tie Orion Road. Saturday Uwulekwe must be brought to book. In Jesus' mighty name. Thank you. Good night, everyone. God bless you.
OJ on the beat.
This nice and cute.
So let me quickly say something. Please give me 1 second. Wow. Let me do this right quick. Wow. No need. So let me just go ahead.
I don't know you, but I see.
God bless you. I love you. Good night. Tomorrow.
We don't say when we suffer, we don't offend them.
Thank you.
We go to school, we don't attend to